Hello, welcome to Tech Tool. Dear guys, I hope you all are well and doing so well. Today I am gonna show you and telling about a new AI, and that's AI included many AIs cause you are looks there are some AI you have already purchased or used them already like ChatGPT-4, Cloud 3 Ops, etc. Such as that you already using this AI for your necessary for your invention or for your discovery something new for your solving really regular question solve. So but in this video this AI called OE, and this AI included all AI we need in it. And let's start about this video about this AI. Let's first of all we need to open the account of it. First of all you can simply search here POE and click here. You'll got this page. Then you need to open an account. Then simply click here, continue with Google, and click here. And here we go. Here we successfully open our account of POE robot. So dear guys, let's start how it's work. How will you use it? Here look, here is assistant. You need to click from here or search your necessary questions, answer from here. First of all you need to go this assistant option, then ask your question. Like I am going to ask that what is Python. Simply I am going to ask it. Maybe I went wrong. And the assistant providing me this answer. Sorry for this, I typed wrong. So the assistant provide me this answer, but here for only I will not satisfying with this answer. So I am going to search compare with this web search or Cloud 3 and Commander. Now let's see if we click here. This AI provide me these answers, and if you want different one, go back, and there are also option like this one. You can modify your question. So not only this, you can also compare with Gemini 1.5 and Llama. And this is the Gemini's answer. And if you want, we can also take answer from chat GPT-4, this one. And that's so expensive for us because we have only 300 point, and for if we search one time the subscription needed AI with AI that will cut the 1250 coin. That's why I'm not going to cut it or search it, but I will go for you guys. This is only limited access for us, only available for subscribers. If we don't if we use free we can't access these options or ChatGPT 4 many important, so that's why we will not going there. We can also free subscribe another things like this one. If we search from here, and there's another option, another answer from this AI, and in this way you can like that. If you want to search from this AI, Gemini 1.5 plus, you can search also this one. And so each and every AI will provide you different answer for different question. With on a same question, they will provide you different answer, and you can also use it for limited time, because that's not already also free. So like this is the assistant, and that's got 20 point 20 coin actually, 20 coin actually per message, if we need. And in our balance, we have only, we'll got only first time user for 3000 coin, and point per messages, and they will cut 20. And so that's why after limited access or after limiting time, we need to purchase it or subscribe it, but it is so not much costly. Like I am searching here, we subscription price, and that is the subscription prices will show here, not so much. That's a subscription. And voice prices, where is the prices? And here look here, the monthly plan of this AI, Poe AI, that's all included, all AI. Also we got in only $19.99 or almost $20. But if you only access for ChatGPT, like ChatGPT 4 price, if you search it, you will got the answer, and that is almost 20. That is similar to the boy, and according to this subscription, I will prefer you to go this AI for, because here you will got some free coin for searching your or researching or gaining your answer with different AI. And not only this, you can also use this AIs also. This all AI here available for your use in one subscription. That's why I prefer you to use Poe for your daily work. You can compare with many AI with different answer, and you can find out or discover a new way or a new work or something very interesting, like you can make a work, you can do a work with different way, and that will be helpful for your progress actually. So for in this video I am showing this one. Hopefully you all understand this and helpful. Yeah, if it helpful, subscribe and like and share with your friends, and keep stay with us and pray for us.